Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video tutorial, we are gonna discuss how to solve this following given differential equation, that is y dash plus 10 of 5x into y is equal to 0, and here is the initial condition is given. So we know that if we will use the variable separable method, then we can solve this differential equation. So we can write this as dy divided by dx is equal to minus of 10, this will become 5x multiplied by y. So from here, if we will take y to the left hand sides and the term of x to the right hand side, then we can easily separate the variables. So we can write it as dy divided by y is equal to minus of 10 5x dx. And now since the variable are separated, we can integrate the both terms. So if we will integrate dy divided by y, we can get is ln mod y is equal to, if we will integrate this term, means we know that integration of tan x is ln sec x. So minus will be thrown out, so this will become ln mod sec 5x, and since the coefficient of x is 5, so it will be divided in the form of 1 by 5 and plus constant term. So we can write this ln as ln c as ln c. This we can write ln mod c. So if we will take this negative term to the left hand side, we can write this as ln mod y plus, we will use the property of like a ln b is equal to ln b to the power a, and ln a plus ln b is equal to ln ab. So we will use these both properties in this differential equation. So we can write this as sec 5x to the power minus 1 by 5. We have to use the mod before this. This will minus 1 divided by 5 is equal to ln mod c. So if we will use the second property, we can write this as y sec 5x to the power minus 1 divided by 5 mod, this will become ln c. So ln will be cancelled out, mod will also be cancelled out. So we can write this as y sec 5x to the power minus 1 divided by 5 is equal to c. So to find the value of c, we will use this initial condition. So we will put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. So this will become 4. This will become sec 0 to the power minus 1 by 5, and this is equal to c. So from here we get the value of c as 4. So we can write this as y is equal to 4 divided by sec 5x to the power minus 1 by 5. So if we will take this in the numerator, this will become 4 cos 5x to the power 5, I think. This will become 4 cos 5x to the power 1 by 5. So this is the answer to this question. This is a simple question of variable separable method, and if you will put this answer here in this box, you will get your exact solution. Thank you very much.